Ever thought about lacing up those sneakers and hitting the road? Today, we're delving deep into the transformative power of running for just 30 minutes every day. It's more than just a way to get from point A to B, it's a journey towards a healthier you. Number 1. Strengthen your heart. Running is one of the best cardiovascular exercises out there. It strengthens your heart muscles, reducing the risk of heart diseases and strokes. Every step you take is a step towards a healthier heart. And guess what? It's the most affordable heart insurance policy you can get. Number 2. Torch those calories. Ever heard of the runner's body? There's a reason for it. Running burns significant calories, aiding in weight loss and weight maintenance. A 30-minute run can become your secret weapon against those extra pounds. Wave goodbye to that stubborn fat and hello to lean muscles. Number 3. Boost your mental health. It's not just a runner's high, it's real science. Running releases endorphins, the body's feel-good hormones. This helps in reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. Plus, the serenity and clarity that come with a run, absolutely unbeatable. You're not just running for your body, you're running for your soul. Number 4. Improve your joints and bones. Contrary to popular belief, running, when done correctly, can improve joint health and increase bone density. The repeated weight-bearing action can reduce the risk of osteoporosis. But remember, a good pair of running shoes and proper technique make all the difference. Number 5. Enhance lung capacity. Your lungs will thank you. With regular running, your lung capacity can increase, allowing you to take in more oxygen and breathe more efficiently. This not only benefits you in your daily life, but boosts performance in other sports and activities too. Number 6. Sleep like a baby. Trouble sleeping? Running can be your lullaby. Regular runners often report better quality of sleep. After all, when the body feels good, it rests well. Number 7. Increase lifespan. Studies have shown that runners tend to live longer lives. Not only do you add years to your life, but you also add life to your years. A healthier, happier, and more active life awaits with just 30 minutes a day. So, are you ready to run your way to a better life? Give it a try and come back to tell us about your journey after a month. If this video got your heart racing, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow runners.